You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
Food production. Emerging food technology trends mark a shift towards sustainable and personalized food choices. These include alternative protein sources, local foods, nutraceuticals, and personalized nutrition. The concern over environmental impacts is causing food tech startups and brands to integrate waste reduction practices as well as zero waste workflows. Also, the COVID-19 pandemic had a compelling impact on accelerating the adoption of industry technologies throughout the food value chain and improving food quality. Food producers are digitizing their production floor with robotics, e-commerce, and digital food management tools. Restaurant Restaurants are also employing robots for hospitality and cooking, as well as promoting e-commerce. The food industry is tackling the continuing impact of the COVID-19 situation, using all the above tools towards efficient, transparent, and sustainable operations. Consumers are shifting towards alternative protein sources due to both health and environmental concerns, make it one of the most prominent food technology trends. Cultured meat, lab-grown, food plant-based nutrition, edible insects, and microprotein are the primary alternative protein sources. Not only are they nutrient rich, but they are also minimize resources used from farm to fork. Unlike protein from livestock, they reduce the overall cost as alternative protein sources demands only marginal dietary requirements and health monitoring. Advancement in 3D printing, fermentation, and molecular biology enable startups to develop sustainable alternative protein production solutions. This aids food companies to offset the ethical concerns and carbon footprints of industrial meat production. As customers now are more thoughtful about the quality of food products they buy, food safety is a significant concern. With the smart labels and standalone food grading devices available to customers, it is easy for them to make knowledgeable decisions before choosing food items. Also, advancement in blockchain and real-time food monitoring using Internet of Things devices enable food brands to provide end-to-end traceability. Startups are furthering food safety and transparency by developing cost-effective and scalable monitoring solutions. This increases the trust between food producers and consumers, positively impact brand credibility and sales. The food and beverage industry incorporates robotics into the entire value chain to advance efficiency, consistency, and scale during food production. Food brands also deploy hospitality robots in hotels and restaurants to improve customers' convenience and safety. Robotic chefs and food processing robots further fuel food robotics as a prominent food technology trend. Autonomous drones and vehicles are emerging to be efficient substitute for manual delivery services while saving overall costs. Drones and other food handling robots at warehouses and grocery stores enable fast and cost-effective food tagging and monitoring. In effect, the robotics bloom in the food industry is expediting food products production, revenue with enhanced speed and precise food quality control. The food and drinking industry utilize a diverse range of technologies which have been developed utilizing advances in a multitude of scientific disciplines including mechanical engineering, material science, electronics, and chemistry. Recent developments have led to several emergent technologies that will provide greater benefit to this sector. Food growers can benefit from recent advances in sensor technologies, which has led to the development of analyzers capable of rapidly measuring the nutrient content in soil, composed of liquid fertilizer previously limited to laboratory-based analysis. Analytical tests can now be undertaken in situ at growing site, enabling the measurement of phosphate, nitrate, ammonium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, sodium, and chloride concentration in less than a minute. Further advances in sensor technology has been applied to clean in place system, allowing the development of novel algorithms that enable self-optimizing clean in place protocol, vastly improving the efficiency and reducing costs of current maintenance protocol used within the food manufacturing industry. Food manufacturers may benefit from cheaper vegetable oils that can be incorporated into recipes thanks to recent research that has culminated in a improved process to easily extract certain contaminants such as carcinogen that are formed during the refining process. This cost-effective process uses vitamins during the purification step to remove the contaminants, and these vitamins can be regenerated for future use. Higher grade oils can therefore be produced and reduce costs to the food manufacturer. Food retailers can look towards new packaging technology that incorporates an indicator that changes color in response to temperature. This technology will provide retailers with confidence that products have been stored and handled correctly before they are sold to the consumer. In addition, chemical formulations have been developed that can change color on exposure to bacteria, enabling the production of cleaning solution that can give visual exposure to the bacteria. Indicators on whether cleaning is effective and also enable to the production of labels that change color if bacteria is present in packaged food. This exciting smart use by the technology is a significant improvement on current methods used within the food industry. New technology and innovation, be it the tractor or the freezer, have transformed the ways we grow, process, and consume food time and time again. Emerging technologies have great potential to improve our food system for the better, but they can also have unintended consequences. In a study recently published in the Lancet Planetary Health, an international team of scientists identified the potential impacts and interaction of emerging food system technologies in relation to the Sustainable Development Goals. For example, the study considered potential impacts of increased automation in food production on society and environment. While automation may reduce the labor and agrochemical costs of food production and processing, it may increase energy costs. Similarly, automation may reduce human exposure to harmful agrochemicals and dangerous equipment. but it may also decrease the number of jobs in agricultural production, resulting in more urban migration and greater urban unemployment and poverty. And ultimately, in social conflict, in the absence of adequate social support,